morning, kids. Today we will start chapter time. In this chapter we will learn how to read the time correct to the exact minute. So let's see. If you look at a clock closely, you will find between the two numbers written on its face, there are 4 small dots which represents the each minute. Like here, after 12, we have 1 which represents 5 minutes, 2 represents 10 minutes, 3 represents 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and at 12 it's complete 60 minutes. But between these two numbers, you can see closely, there are 4 points which represents 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and here it's 5 minutes, then 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and then 10 minutes. So between the two numbers, each point represents 1 minute. So in this way, we can read the time to the exact minute. Here we will start 10.1 exercise. Our first question is, write the exact time shown in each clock. In your book, various clocks are shown. Now how you will read the time? You can see small hand is at 5 and you have to count about the minute hand. You know at 1 it is 5 minutes. Now we will count the small points in between 6, 7, 8, and here the time is 5, 8. So here we will write 5, 0, 8. In the next clock, you can see small hand is at 8 and big hand is at in between 11 and 12. So at 11 we have 55 minutes. Now we will count the further. Here it will be 56 and here it is 57. So here time will be 7:57 because it's going to be 8 o'clock. Small hand is at 8, but it's going to be exactly 8 o'clock after 3 minutes. So in this way you can do these two parts. Now we will do the second question. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time written below. Now here they have written the time and we will draw the hands. So here the time is 3:52, means it's going to be 4. So our small hand is very near to 4. Here we will draw small hand. And how we will show 52 minutes? We know at 10 it will be 50 minutes and after these 2 points that will be 52. So near here, at that point we will show the minute hand. So here it is time 3:52. Now see the next clock, 6:14. So at 6 we will show small hand. We have to show 14 minutes and that will be, this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, this is 11, 12, 13 and here it is 14 minutes. So here we will show the minute hand, that will show 6:14. Now in the next clock we have to show 8:23. So here is 8, and how we will show 23? In between this 4 and 5. So here we will show our hand, and this is 20, 21, 22, and here it is 23. So here we will draw the minute hand, 8:23. In the next clock we have to show 10:28. This is 10. So here we will show the hour hand. Now we have to show 28. At 5 we have 25 minutes, 26, 27, or here it will be 28 minutes. In this way you can draw hands in your book. Now in exercise 10.2 we have to express the time in AM or PM. Like they have written the time and the activity, and we have to write only AM or PM with the time according to the given activity. Like here they have given 4 o'clock, but it's written shopping time. Now you can see at 4 o'clock shopping time, when you can go for the shopping in the evening only. Other 4 o'clock will be at night, so we will not go that time for the shopping. So here we will write 4 o'clock with PM. In the evening when it will be 4 o'clock, we will use PM with that. Now here the time is 7:15 and it is school assembly. When you are standing in the school assembly, it is morning. So here with the time you will use 7:15 AM. Same way, in the next question, we have to write only AM and PM with the given time. Sarita wakes up. When you will wake up? In the morning. So 6:45 added with AM. In the next, Raja goes to school. Now you can see when you are going to school, 7:30. One time you can see 7:30 in the morning, and other time you can see 7:30 in the night. You will not go school at night. So here 7:30 AM. Meena has dinner at 8:30. Now you can see when you will take dinner at night. So here with 8:30 we will use PM. In same way, in third question we have to write what time it is. Now we have to count the time. 2 hours after 6:05 AM. When in the morning it's 6:05 AM, after 2 hours of that time you have to count. Like 6:05, after 1 hour it will be 7:05, and after 2 hours it will be 8:05 AM. In next question, 3 hours after 8:10 AM. You have to add 3 hours. Whenever after is there, you will add the time. Whenever before is there, you will subtract the time. So 3 hours after 8:10, you have to add 3 in 8 o'clock, and you will get 11. So the time will be 11 10 a.m. Now we will do one question of before. 2 hours before 12 noon. Now, here is the time which you have to subtract. Whenever you see before, pehle, 12 o'clock noon se 2 hours pehle, you have to write. So what will be the time? You have to subtract this 2 from 12. When you subtract 2 from 12, you will get 10. And before the noon time, we are adding AM. So here the time will be 10 AM. Now you can see one more question. 3 hours before 10 p.m. So here they have given 10 p.m. means at night. So again when the before come, you will subtract the time. So you subtract 3 from 10 and you will get 7. And the time will be 7 p.m. So in this way, you can do rest of the parts of these exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.